Are you interested in Osgoode PD and wondering what student services you can expect? Let's talk you through them. At Osgoode PD, we believe in the value of academic support, career and professional development, health and wellness, and community engagement. Our services reflect our interest in these areas, and our students benefit from them. You can anticipate academic support right from the outset, starting with an orientation that provides you with the academic tools you need to be successful in the LLM and the confidence to meet its expectations. We feature introductory courses that recognize the diversity of our student body and the needs that new students might have, whether it's an introduction to the Canadian legal system or legal research and writing. We run regular workshops to help students polish the academic skills they'll need to excel in the program, from how to tackle a take-home exam to how to refine your research topic. And of course, students can avail themselves from the largest law library in Canada, right here at Osgoode. What about career and professional development? Students at Osgoode PD benefit from being able to schedule one-on-one advising appointments for all things career, be it a resume review, a mock interview, or insight into job search strategies. Our My Career portal grants students access to job postings that local firms use for recruitment. Then there are the networking events such as academic conferences or annual professional symposiums. At Osgoode PD, there are a variety of opportunities to broaden your professional network in your specialized field. With so much going on, we know life can get hectic, and so students are granted access to different wellness opportunities while undertaking the LLM. Individual professional counseling appointments are on offer with our wellness counselor, who is both a registered mental health clinician and a former practicing lawyer. And if students need a break, there's flexibility. We can grant leaves of absence for 1 or 2 terms at a time with a simple process for re-enrollment. Finally, there are all of the community engagement events on offer. We host holiday parties, sporting events, and pub nights. And we encourage students to get involved in our student committees, where they can plan social and academic events of their own. Our aim is to get you connected. This is a highlight of our student services, but it doesn't stop there. Consider applying to Osgoode PD and benefit from CPD hours as a licensed lawyer, or complimentary and discounted access to our continuing legal education courses. Questions? We're here for you. Consider listening in on one of our information sessions or connecting with a member of our recruitment team.